Free flights, free hotel rooms? Yes, you can. Fly, stay, and travel for free when you travel hack. There are lots of great travel rewards credit cards with fantastic benefits that let you globetrot the world for free. But if you're brand new and getting started, the best card for travel hacking is the Chase Sapphire Preferred. The Chase Sapphire Preferred is the best card if you're new to earning miles and points, and it's the first card you should get. You get a large sign-up bonus, earn 2 times points on travel and dining, 1 point on everything else, and there are no foreign transaction fees. Hey everyone, it's Deborah from Traveling Well for Less, where you learn how to travel more, spend less. Welcome back to the channel and another video. If you're new here, and even if you're not, make sure you click that red subscribe button below. While you're down there, go ahead and hit that like button. I've been using miles and points for free travel since 1994. Yeah, I'm that old. We travel for free every summer to Hawaii, been to Australia not once but 3 times, been to Big Sur, the Dominican Republic, Hong Kong, the Maldives, and so many other places. All for free by using travel hacking credit cards. When you're a beginner learning to travel hack, you should start with one travel rewards card. By starting with one card, you'll stay organized and keep things simple while you learn to navigate the world of travel hacking. Pro tip, get a card that offers flexible transferable points. Points that you can use to book airlines and hotels, so you aren't locked into one hotel or one airline. Like a card that earns Chase Ultimate Rewards points, also called Ultimate Rewards points. The Chase Sapphire Preferred is the best card for beginner travel hackers and the first card you should get because it earns flexible, transferable points. You can use Chase Ultimate Rewards points for free airfare, hotels, rental cars, and tours. Oh, by the way, if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button below. The Chase Sapphire Preferred has a 60,000 point sign-up bonus that you earn after spending $4,000 on purchases in the first 3 months of opening your account. 60,000 points is worth $750 in travel when you make your reservation in the Chase Travel Portal. You can even use points to book and pay for rental cars and tours, giving you lots of options and easy ways to get your entire vacation for free.
Yay!
Pro tip, you get more value when you transfer your points to airlines and hotel partners. Free flights or free hotels? If you're like me, you like both. Tell me in the comments which you choose. You can transfer points earned from the Chase Sapphire Preferred to 13 airline and hotel partners like Southwest, United, JetBlue, Hyatt, and Marriott. Points transfer instantly on a 1-to-1 basis. So 1 Chase Ultimate Reward point equals 1 Southwest point, 1 United mile, 1 Marriott point, etc. Pro tip, if you transfer your points to an airline or hotel, you can't transfer them back. So you want to make sure before transferring your points to an airline that award seats are available for your flight. Because points transfer instantly, it's easy to check to see if there are free flights and quickly transfer and redeem those points for your free ticket. With the 60,000 point sign-up bonus on the Chase Sapphire Preferred, you can get an entire vacation to Hawaii for free. Here's how it breaks down. 2 round-trip tickets on Southwest from San Diego to Honolulu in March cost 23,396 points. 3 nights at the Hyatt Place Waikiki Beach cost 36,000 points. And you'll still have 604 points left over, plus the 4,000 points you earn, maybe more if you maximize your bonus categories from your spending. Maui, Oahu, the Big Island, Kauai, Molokai, or Lanai. Tell me in the comments which you'd visit first. Speaking of bonus categories, you earn 2 points for every dollar you spend on travel and dining when you pay with your Chase Sapphire Preferred card. You can eat at fancy restaurants, get coffee at Starbucks, grab some fast food, or have a few craft beers at a brewery. It all counts as dining. Places that use Square and similar card readers might not code as dining or restaurants, so you might not earn the 2 times points. Pro tip, remember to register your credit card so you can double dip and earn miles at restaurants and the 2 times points for your category bonus. Be sure to watch this video on how to earn miles with airline dining programs to learn how to get up to 5 extra frequent flyer miles when you dine at restaurants. There's a link to the airline dining program video in the description, and it was right there. You also get 2 points for every dollar spent when you rent a car or pay for a hotel room, and for all other purchases you pay for with your Chase Sapphire Preferred, you'll earn 1 point for every dollar spent. So when you use your card everywhere, your travel rewards points add up quick. You're probably thinking, how the heck am I going to spend $4,000 on purchases in 3 months? Check out this video on creative ways to meet your minimum spending requirements on credit cards. There's also a link to the blog post in the description. You can use your Chase Sapphire Preferred when you travel outside the United States because there are no foreign transaction fees. Pro tip: when using your card internationally, you'll avoid dynamic currency conversion by making sure they charge you in that country's currency. With the Chase Sapphire Preferred, you feel safer when you travel because you get free trip cancellation interruption insurance, auto rental collision damage waiver protection, baggage delay insurance, trip delay reimbursement, and emergency assistance. Not traveling anytime soon? No worries. Your Chase Sapphire Preferred card covers you at home too. Use your card for cell phone and electronic purchases because all purchases are covered up to 120 days against damage and theft. You also get a 3-year extended warranty. How will you use your Chase Sapphire Preferred 60,000 point sign-up bonus? Tell me in the comments. If you love my best card for travel hacking video, you can click the link to watch this video on the Southwest credit card and learn a travel hack on how you can get free flights for 2 years. Remember to subscribe to the channel for more travel hacking tips and travel videos. Feel free to share this video with family, friends, and on social media. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.